Here we are with what used to be 2 refrigerators that have now been outfitted with wood siding. Speaking of sidings, we've got our 3 chicken siding. First 3 showed up today and have been placed on the outside. That's pretty cool. Gotta look close for the eggs at the bottom there, but a couple roosters. Then in front, that badass solar system going on there. So front, farm fresh eggs. Pretty cool, right? And inside, we have done some serious retrofitting. That is where the eggs will go. This refrigerator did not look like this before